How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Cashless Investor. So NIO is currently trading at around $15 per shares. Okay, considering the magnitude of the company and where the company is hitting, I would say that buying NIO shares at around $15 per shares is still, guys. So that's what I'm going to discuss about in today's video. My name is Nelson Kanyanga and this is the Cashless Investors.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it.
Alright, guys, so NIO Deliveries numbers just came out yesterday. Okay, although I am not that impressed, as I was expecting around 11,000 vehicles for the month of September, I am actually happy with 10,876 vehicles. So I am going to read the official statement from NIO's Twitter feed. Okay, so it says NIO delivered 10,878. Okay, I said 6. No, it's 10,878 vehicles in September 2022. Okay, a quarterly high of 31,607 new vehicles delivered in Q3 2022. Okay, that represents about 29.3% increment year over year. Okay, so in the first 9 months of 2022, NIO delivered 82,000. Okay, 82,434 vehicles. So that is about 24.2 up year over year. Okay, so far NIO has delivered 249,000 504 vehicles. So NIO started production in 2018 and having just 4 years later about 200 vehicles. This is outstanding, guys. Okay, so if we compare that to companies such as Lucid or Rivian, yeah, you will understand that NIO is actually making big moves. Okay, so talking about moves, last week NIO CEO was in Europe. Okay, and as there was a big event in Norway. Okay, so NIO houses expanding. So this is part of NIO's expansion plan. As I have said in the previous video, NIO has the plan to enter about 25 different countries by 2025. Okay, so far they have entered key elements or key countries in Europe: Netherlands, Germany, Norway, and Sweden, and of course they are going to expand, and I'm not that concerned about it. So right now is actually the moment where you analyze the value of the company, the growth of the company, okay, the revenue of the company, and you'll see, okay, this company has a future, and you take into consideration the technology that this company was bringing in to the table. And now I have to say that battery swap stations are actually going to be the present and the future of the EV cars. For those who don't understand what battery swap station is, let's just put it in a nutshell. Okay, it is you buy the car without the battery and you pay a monthly fee. So what does it mean? That means that you do not have to buy a new battery if your battery just get damaged. Okay, because as you guys know, one of the most expensive parts of an EV is the battery. Okay, I've seen lots of reports on Twitter, people actually complaining that they would have to pay about 20,000 for a battery car. Okay, with battery swap station, you actually, what you do is you don't own the battery. Okay, NIO owns the battery. You pay a fee to use the battery, and whenever it runs out of charge, you just go to a battery swap station and exchange it. Okay, that of course is also going to help to protect the environment, as you are going to as NIO is going to recycle the battery. Okay, so this is a key advantage from NIO. And besides that, I know that NIO is making moves to enter the United States market, and once they do it, guys, I know that I am just confident that those shares price are going to be even higher than what they are currently are right now. So I would say what's going on right now is just tax manipulation, guys. The Wall Street is manipulating NIO shares. As you guys know, they have bias for American companies. NIO is a Chinese company, so this is one of the risks that you need to be aware of. But aside from that, I know that this company has the potential to be and to fight that market share that Tesla currently owns. because NIO is a company of such magnitude. And of course, there is something that NIO is doing, gaining customers' confidence. Just like the same strategy that Apple uses, NIO is kind of using it similarly to its business. Okay, so that's why we have NIO app, NIO's life, or NIO life, NIO houses. And guys, this is actually attracting customers and loyalty from the customers. Of course, they are producing quality cars, I do not doubt it. And whenever I make enough money to buy it, I'm going to buy a NIO car, guys. So as I've said, and I will repeat, I am a NIO bull. I'm not going to sell any shares of NIO, not within 2 years, not within 3 years. I'm going to hold strong. And whenever I see a drop like the current ones, I would buy NIO shares. Okay, as you guys know, cash is king. And whenever there is a drop and I have cash, I'm going to buy NIO shares. Of course, I have a lot of other companies on my portfolio, but NIO represents about 60% of my portfolio. I own Tesla shares as well, but NIO for me has a better potential in terms of profit in the future, guys. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and see you guys in the next video.